Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by matching ports and grabbing the correct cable or adapter. This saves time. Once done, power the monitor and laptop so both negotiate a signal. Plug the cable into the monitor first, then the laptop. Make sure connectors click or seat fully. Loose contacts cause flicker. You do this now because a stable hardware link is required before any software steps. This ensures the system detects the external display and prevents detection delays later. You now tell the computer what to do with the new screen. Open Display Settings and select Extend if you want extra workspace, or Mirror for duplication. This choice affects workflow and GPU load. Make sure resolution and refresh rate match the monitor's native specs to avoid blurriness and stutter. Once set, adjust scaling so text and UI are readable. Then drag the virtual monitors to match their physical layout. This ensures the cursor moves intuitively between them. You finish by testing real tasks, play video, move windows, and confirm color and alignment. Calibrate if colors look off and physically secure the cable to prevent intermittent disconnects. If the image is unstable, update graphics drivers and firmware for docks or adapters. This often fixes handshake problems. One key troubleshooting tip: if the display isn't detected, swap to a different cable or try the monitor's other inputs. This
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.